I've spent my career telling people how to buy cheap cars, but sadly these days it doesn't matter how well you buy your motor, it's always going to lose value like a third world currency. And that's why I'm always on the lookout for an investment that goes up rather than down. Like a guaranteed 8% in the first 2 years and up to 10% in years 3 and 4. This is an investment concept that you really do need to listen to. Self-storage. Now say those words to people and they will glaze over because they think those brightly coloured buildings by the side of main roads are for sad, weird people with body hygiene issues to store their 1979 boxed video sets of Star Wars and redundant lightsabers. What they don't realise is that self-storage is big business. £360 million in the UK, with a customer base of 250,000 and growing. Store First works like this. Tenants pay 1 month's rent up front plus a deposit, and rents are collected by direct debit or credit card. They get a range of options and facilities plus 24/7 secure access to their store pods. They can have free meeting rooms, free Wi-Fi, packaging, insurance, van hire, even a PO box number if they want. Charges are completely exempt from VAT and are 30% less than the established competition. So from the consumer's point of view, it really is a cracking deal. But from the investors, it's even better. So here is the investor's guide to Store First self-storage. Do I own anything? Yes, absolutely. There is a single document registered at the land registry with a 250-year lease. And as any bank manager will tell you, a 250-year lease is as good as a freehold. So you buy it, then you can rent it. You can sell it. You can pass it on to another investor. You can even manage it yourself, or perish the thought, actually store stuff in it. But you absolutely, physically own something. What's the exit strategy? Well, this is a great investment in the sense that you can bail out at any time without cost. So you can sell to Store First to have a guaranteed buyback scheme, or you sell to your tenant, or to another investor, or to anybody at all. But there are no fees, there are no penalties, and you can bail at any time you want. How much will I earn? Thought you'd ask that one. Okay, let's say you put in a notional investment of £15,000 and you sell your store pods after 6 years. You will, over those 6 years, have made around 9 grand in rental income. When you sell, you'll make about 25% profit, which is nearly 4 grand. So, at the end of your 6 years, you will have made nearly £13,000. Plus, you'll have got your original 15 grand stake back. That's 29 grand. That's 85% profit in 6 years. Call me old-fashioned, but who needs gold? How much can I invest? Well, the entry level is 3,750, rising to £1 million. But the idea is to just buy one, then buy another, one after that, and you're getting all this rental income coming in, and you're building up this portfolio of store pods which you can eventually then sell at a profit. It's clear, it's simple, there are no hidden fees, no hidden charges. It is a transparent, hassle-free investment. What about tax? Well, you can put a store pod through, if you're a small business or any business, as a legitimate business expense. It's deductible. There's no VAT to pay. Sadly, you will have to pay tax on any income you make. There's nothing we can do about that. But if you've got a pension, a SIPS pension, then store pods are approved by all the major SIPs, pension companies, so you can put it through as an investment. So lots of advantages, but talk to your solicitor and accountant first. I'm still not convinced. Well, that's good, because all investors should have a healthy dose of cynicism. But you need then to look at a report by the very eminent Deloitte accountancy firm for the Self-Storage Association. This was published this year. This executive summary, a quote here: "The self-storage industry continues to show resilience in the current testing economic climate, and operators remain optimistic." They're also showing since 2006, rents have increased steadily, and so has occupancy, up from 22 weeks in 2007 to 38 weeks in 2010. Here's another report from Property Week saying that the smart money is beginning to cluster around this industry. Case and Investment Management announced this year that they are going to raise £100 million of equity for its self-storage fund. So you know, when the boys in red braces get involved, there is money to be made. Don't take my word for it. It's all downloadable on the website. You can download a brochure, download these reports, ring Store First up, and they will even send you one. The number is 01282 899 899. That's 01282 899 899. Now here's the thing, all those very successful multimillionaires have put money into bricks and mortar, and that's why a proportion of your pension must be in property. And remember, this is UK based, it's not off plan, it's SIP approved, and it guarantees income production from day one. I'll be honest, I like it so much, I've got one myself. Flash cars? Putting your money into nice motors? That is so yesterday.